Let's also talk about on Saturday morning the remaining part of the superstructure of the under construction Agwani Bridge connecting Bhagalpur and Khagaria, which collapsed last year. That portion has also collapsed. That also got immersed in the Ganga River. And as far as what suggests, even when it comes to the recent history in Bihar, which has been reported when it comes to multiple bridges that have collapsed, this is another one. As far as the remaining part was concerned, it was still standing. But of late, because of the monsoon and when it comes to the bridges that has been under construction, the remaining portion of the bridge also collapsed. We'll be getting you pictures of the same, but this is being reported in Bihar as far as this particular bridge is concerned, which is being said the remaining part of the Agwani Bridge that connects Bhagalpur and Khagaria that collapsed last year. The remaining portion of the bridge also collapsed. Those are the pictures there as we were talking about. This is the under construction bridge that the remaining portion also collapsed. This is for the third time as far as this has now been reported in the state of Bihar, which has come under a lot of criticism owing to multiple cases of bridge collapse that has been reported in the state. सौरभ इज विद अस राइट नाउ. सौरभ, जो बचा कुचा भी जो था, अगर ब्रिज की बात की जाए, वो हिस्सा भी अब नदी में गिर जाता है, उसके बारे में जरा बताइए, क्योंकि तस्वीरें आ रही हैं कि अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था ये ब्रिज, लेकिन उसे वैसे ही छोड़ के रखा हुआ था.
Very shocking, in fact, and this is the third time this bridge has collapsed, and this time the part between pillar number 10 and 11 that fell into the river Ganga, and last year also in June 2023 last year, and before that previous year, that is 2022, the same bridge saw this incident, and part of the bridge fell for both the times. And this time, the third part of the bridge, the third time the bridge collapsed, and although there is no casualty, but last year, two workers of that bridge were missing after the incident. Remember, this bridge is being built by Singla company, and that last year controversy came out, and many political reactions came, and people were asking for the accountability of the company as well as the government's role in building this bridge, and this bridge is very important as far as connecting North Bihar and South Bihar is concerned, and where this is a project of over 1,700 crores, and it was inaugurated by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar in 2014. Yes. So after 9 years, we see how the same bridge
being built over a cost of over 1,700 crores, the middle portion of the bridge that was being constructed on the river Ganga between Khagaria and Agwani and Sultanganj, a portion of the bridge that had also collapsed 2 years ago as well. And this is yet another incident that has now been reported of the very same bridge. The last remaining portion of the said bridge also collapsed. There are pictures that you can see because it was last year. When it comes to the Bihar Bhagalpur, where it was reported, the visuals that were caught on camera showing two parts of the bridge collapsing one after the other. That point in time, there were no casualties that were reported. But the Chief Minister of Bihar, who had ordered a probe into the incident and asked for the identification of those who were responsible, and a report that was also sought from the Pul Nirman Nigam. Let's in the meantime talk about how the Congress party has been reacting. The Congress party, in a way, has been suggesting that this is nothing but Bhrashtachar. They have been saying that this is corruption. बिहार में भ्रष्टाचार से तंग आकर एक पुल ने जल समाधि ली. ये पुल पहले भी 2 बार जल समाधि ले चुका है. So the remaining portion of the bridge, the under construction bridge is concerned, as it was reported, now with the latest pictures coming in, has also collapsed.